Greetings, dessert enthusiasts! Today, I invite you to embark on a culinary journey exploring the marvels of baklava, a dessert steeped in history and adorned with layers of delicate phyllo dough, luscious nuts, and the golden embrace of honey. If this sounds like a culinary adventure you're ready to undertake, give that like button a gentle tap, and let's dive in! Ingredients are your companions on this journey: phyllo dough, a medley of nuts, walnuts, pistachios, or a delightful combination, the essence of melted butter, sugar, a dash of cinnamon, and the sweet nectar of honey. Begin by laying out your phyllo sheets, a canvas awaiting your flavorful masterpiece. Brush each sheet generously with the golden elixir of melted butter, creating a foundation of richness. Now, for the heart of baklava, our nut mixture. Sprinkle a harmonious blend of finely chopped nuts, sugar, and cinnamon between each layer, building a symphony of textures and tastes. As your layers come together, it's time to carve out your edible opus. Cut the baklava into the shapes that speak to your culinary vision, readying it for the transformative embrace of the oven. Bake until a golden hue blankets your creation, filling your kitchen with the tantalizing aroma of perfectly baked baklava. While your masterpiece is still warm, generously drizzle honey over its surface. Watch as the honey gracefully seeps into every layer, infusing sweetness and creating a delectable synergy of flavors. Allow your baklava to cool, giving it the opportunity to absorb and meld those sumptuous elements. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the art of crafting baklava, an ancient delicacy now at your fingertips. For those hungry for more delightful journeys through the world of sweets, consider subscribing.